Hi everybody, welcome to SimplyScuba. In today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the Mars X1 fin. So these are a small compact little pair of fins, perfect for travel, perfect for just kind of starting out, especially with snorkeling. They've got an adjustable heel strap that's also elasticated as well, so it's a bit more comfortable. It's going to fit a whole range of different shoe sizes as well instead of a full foot fin. All in all, as you can see, it's pretty flat, which is quite nice for a pair of fins. They pack away in your bag pretty easily. They're nice and light, each fin. This one weighs about 290 grams, so just under 600 grams for the pair of them, which for a pair of fins is pretty good. They're not quite as big as a full set of scuba diving fins, obviously, but you are still going to get the benefit of a decent amount of propulsion. The blade itself, nice and compact, but it's dual material. The yellow in this is a sort of a semi-rigid material, and then the black is flexible. So that's changing the shape of the blade, creating a bit of a scoop, and then just transferring that water down towards the tip, which is going to help push you through the water. Foot pocket itself has this kind of mesh-like grid, which makes your life a little bit easier putting your foot in and out. You don't get that suction effect, but also it helps to reduce a parachute effect. As you're going through the water, it doesn't act like a parachute. Water can't get trapped on the inside and then create drag. It just allows a lot of easy water flow movement throughout it. The heel strap itself, so it's a little bit elasticated, so it's comfortable. You can pull it up over your heel, but you have a few different adjustments, so you can lengthen it, you can shorten it for different users or as your feet start to grow. So as a general lightweight pair of snorkeling fins, spot on. They've got everything that you need. They're nice and small, they're nice and light, so you can travel with them really easily. Definitely a nice design as well. They come in a couple of different colors, which are pretty cool. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. There's going to be a link down in the description below, so you can check them out and buy them from us at SimplyScuba. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.